Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. So what you need to do first is going to Instagram. After going to Instagram, you have to go to your account like that. You have to go to your profile. Then after that, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then what you need to do is click on the settings and privacy option right here. Please watch the full video to solve your problem. So what the next thing you want to do is click on the accounts and center, the top right here. Then after that you have to click on the personal details option in the second option right here. You have to click on this. Then what you can see here is an option account ownership and control. What you need to do is click in the account ownership and control. Then after that you have to click again in the deactivation or deletion. Okay. After that you have to select your account like that. Then what you need to do is click on the first option that you need to delete or deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. If you want to delete it permanently, you have to click on the next option. Okay, so we need to click on the first option and click continue. Then after that you have to put your password of your Instagram account that will pretty much deactivate your account temporarily. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel. Peace.